Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, window defogger, and DVD player.